To use Geeq Pay, first you need to install the Chrome extension and pin it to your Chrome browser. Next, we need to start the Geeq chain by going to the home page and clicking the Start button. We then need to add some Geeq tokens to our wallet, ready to spend later. Here, we're choosing 10 Geeq pennies. Click Submit, and we wait for the transaction to complete. And once that's happened, you'll see your wallet balance has updated. You can also see this in the Transaction History tab, just here. So now we can go to the Content tab. We could choose a cute puppy video, and we can watch this for a few Geeq pennies. So we choose to watch one for 8 Geeq pennies. And we can then go back to our wallet and see the transaction has confirmed with that purchase as well. Have some fun with it, enjoy it, and remember, be a geek.